Hello all. In this today's session I'm going to present one more exploded view. For that I have chosen screw jack as my assembly screw jack, which I have already assembled. That video you could see, that link you find in the description below. Now this is the screw jack assembly. Now I can make exploded view of this particular screw jack. So here I have given different colors to this particular screw jack just to differentiate the parts. Actually all the machine component parts are made of metals, but just to make you understand and to differentiate I have given colors to it. Okay, now these colors can be removed with a single click. Okay, how to remove these colors? Just go to assembly, right click on it and go to appearances, remove all appearances. Okay, you could see this now and save the file. Okay, applying the colors, applying the material is one task, and removing them is also another task where students will get confused to do such process. All right, now let me give some metal effect to these parts. For that what I try to do, simply go to appearances option where you find metals option. Under these metals, let me give some different colors to different parts. I'll select brass for this part. Let me give, all right, let me click here and select appearances, and let me take brass as the option. Yes, here you could see color brass, and main body, no, complete thing I would like to change. Yes, I got it. Similarly for maybe for screw, leave about screw, I'll go with a cup. For this cup also I am going to give a different color, maybe a copper. Okay, copper color I have given. Similarly for this particular nut, let me give an aluminium color, maybe some blue anodized aluminum is there, let me give that color. For this one, maybe a screw, let me give some other color, go with a different color, golden color I'm going to give. Maybe irrespective of the materials, just to differentiate parts I'm going to give different colors to them. Just for this session you can go with some other colors, it all depends on you. Let me take steel. Under steel you find different options, let me go with wrought steel. Yeah, got it. So all of them I have given. Let me save all. Yes, it will take few seconds of time, or else you can say simply rebuild. That is also a very good option here. All right, now this particular screw got inserted completely inside, but up to what extent, again I'll show you a transparency how the parts are inserted inside. Let me click on the body and say transparent. Just have a look at it, how the parts are inserted. Similarly I'll select this nut, not screw, I'll just go with the screw. Let me make it invisible, transparent. Have a look at it, how screw got inserted, how Tommy bar got inserted inside. Alright, it can further move, it can further travel till this particular distance, that also we can do, but as of now we focus on exploded views only. Alright, now let me start with an exploded view of this particular screw jack. For that I'll just keep the component in front view for your better understanding, and let me select exploded view followed by regular set, clicking on OK. To remove this particular component I need to deal with the internal screw. Click. Now here it became very easy for me to select the screw without rotating the complete assembly, because I made the component transparent. That is the advantage of making the component transparent. Now I can move this part till some point randomly, and next, so now I can easily remove this part. Alright, so next going to be maybe this one. I'm going to give a new position to this Tommy bar followed by a nut. Oh, fine. So I need to move, I just need to move screw further, and also this part also need to take some more distance so that this can travel. Yes, now everything is fine. Let me select this part. Yes, you could see body I have dropped it down. Have a look at it. This is a complete assembly of a screw jack. Okay, exploded view of a screw jack, and you can make it exploded, you can make it unexplode, nothing but collapse. Just say okay to this. Okay, now you can reposition them all just by clicking on any of the component and right clicking on it. Edit step, you can set your own dimensions. Let's say okay to this, and right click to collapse. Okay, and same right click to explode, right click to animate. Alright, slowly parts, yeah, traveling to its position. 1 2, the way I have positioned accordingly, those parts are traveling to a new position and working, they are coming back to working position. Let me make it fast. This is how it happens. Alright, let me close this, go to assembly, explode. Yeah, now you could see. Let me keep all the parts in a wireframe model. Those are not looking out properly, so let me keep all of them solid with edges. Alright, this is how it will look. Alright, so the same can be drafted also for documentation purpose. Same can be drafted, that can be kept in isometric view, even that is also possible. Alright, this is how an assembly of a screw jack can be exploded from its working position and kept all the parts in its working position back again, so that students will understand better how the positioning should be and how to draw the front, top and side views of a screw jack. Okay, only my interest is to make students understand and draw things on a sheet of paper in an appropriate way. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any queries you can drop it in the comment box so that I can explain you if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching. Thank you for now.